going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Juice Reacts video. In today's video, we got another video from that awesome animation channel from Heish, and it is How It Should Have Ended, Birds of Prey, and we're going to check this out right now. If you have been following my podcast, Batman News Weekly, we talked about this movie a lot. I think I talked about it on my YouTube channel as well, my other YouTube channel. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and react to this. I thought this movie was okay. It's actually better on the second viewing. Really didn't like the first one. I had a terrible movie experience, theater experience. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump in to see how it should have ended. And I hope they make a joke about Cassandra Cain, because she was the worst character in this movie, and they ruined her from the comic books. Let's check this out. Bum, bum, bum.
They say if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Or you can just change the ending with a nitpicky video about it later on YouTube.
Oh my gosh, this title is so long. The Birds of Prey. I like the little
We
Western
lost
thing
the
there.
diamond.
What?
I'm really sorry, Mr. S. This
We
kid...
never even got our hands on it.
That's not true.
What?
Shut up. Yes, it is. Don't listen to her, boss. She's lying.
No, I'm not. I had the diamond, but this fool took it from me because he didn't trust me carrying it. Then he got himself pickpocketed by a little kid.
No, I didn't. Shut up.
Thank you so much. Victor, why would you do that? Why would you lie to me?
Uh-oh.
I'm going to have to ask you to cut your own face off now.
But I don't want to.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. But you don't have a choice.
Oh.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Harley Quinn! She's using non-lethal glitter bombs! Hey, stop right there!
Harley Quinn's taking us out one by one! Well, genius, stop taking turns.
Well, I will say, people have suggested I should stop things and just talk between videos. I'm going to try this out. Let me know if you hate it in the comments and if you want me to go to the old style. But I will say, glitter bombs, as we have just been shown in recent protests, being shot by non-lethal things very up close will still fuck you up. So, just saying, Harley Quinn, this actual scene seems a little bit more interesting now. Also, the whole Zaz having to cut his own face off, Black Mask does that in the comments. Black Mask should have done that himself, so...
Burns, group up then.
Freeze! Oh shit, who's that guy in the suit?
Well, Pope.
We heard you know where Harley Quinn lives. Tell us where she is.
We'll give you lots and lots of money. No.
What?
Okay, I guess we'll just go ask someone else then.
Okay, let's go bring back Harley Quinn and that diamond-stealing kid from the funhouse. Just gonna put my phone in my pocket so no private text messages jump out in the open while we
What are
drive.
you talking
Yeah.
about?
Nothing. And we're off. And we're off.
It's true, though. It's true.
You don't think you can stand on your own?
Harley looks buff, yo.
You're not the type! You need me!
I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley f***ing
No, because I'm Batman. I got
Come on!
Let me go!
you. You're supposed to be Batgirl. What is
Yes! Yes!
You obviously have a lot to learn.
Yes!
Crap nugget.
You're supposed to
what
be
happened?
Batgirl.
Batman just swooped in and took everything.
Oh, come on! Are you serious?
Well, this is Gotham City. He was bound to show up sooner or later.
I really thought this
That's
time was
true.
gonna be different. Not the usual same old song and
Hey.
dance.
Oh, God.
You look different.
Oh.
You look good.
Want to get out of here? Get into some trouble?
I don't need you. Haven't you been paying attention? I got my girls now.
Yeah.
Yeah, screw you, clown.
Whatever. I don't care. See ya.
Oh, he's so mysterious in that rebel without a cause sort of way. I just can't resist it. Button, wait for me.
Harley, no! Yeah, don't be stupid.
I'm sorry, girls. He looks like what I wanted the first time. So
Aw.
we're back together.
After the way he's treated you. Yeah, I thought you would have shot him in the nuts. So did I.
Exactly.
Oh, I'd never do that to my snookums. Besides, I was out of bullets.
Damn.
Oh, look out! Out of bullets.
Okay. Okay. I like this nice little ending here. Nice. Oh, after credit scene.
You ladies have a cafe too.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yup.
So anyways, your friend pooped out this diamond and said it belonged to you. So I thought I'd bring it over because, well,
Because you're Batman?
I was gonna say because it's gross and I don't want a nasty poop diamond. But sure, I am also Batman. I would wash that if I were you.
Thanks.
Ugh,
So,
poop that.
your rich parents were killed, and now you channel that rage to fight crime. I know what that's like. You wanna know my secret identity?
Do you know who I am?
I'm saying to you, wanna know who I am. Okay, so cops in Gotham don't like you either. Do you wanna know my
You're
secret?
barking up the wrong tree there, Batboy.
So, you have supersonic voice powers. I can make my voice sound different with technology. Do you wanna know?
That was good.
So you struck out?
What?
That was good. That was actually really good. I really enjoyed that. Oh my god. I love when they do the DC stuff. But I love the Batman stuff. I'm glad that he freaking grabbed Cassandra Cain. He's like, you're supposed to be Batgirl. Because I hated that the most. If anything in that movie, like I know it was all over the place, the writing, whatever. Cassandra Cain not being a badass and just being a normal kid and not doing anything really annoyed the fuck out of me. And that she was just this random little puppet, and she wasn't Cassandra Cain. Cassandra Cain from the comic books is a badass, and I could not stand her in Birds of Prey. They totally ruined her. I think that girl shouldn't even be named Cassandra Cain. Honestly, they should find out that it's like, oh yeah, I pickpocketed that name, or I stole that name from some other chick, and then there should be a real Cassandra Cain that's actually a badass. But you know, it is what it is, and hopefully they retcon that and make her better, or just cast a new chick and make her Cassandra Cain and be better. But I don't know. Yeah. Apparently also a little bit of that movie was changed too. Unfortunately, that's the thing DC does a lot, is change people's original cuts. So I would like to see the original cut of Birds of Prey. I don't think it would change that much, but still, because I think Cassandra Cain would still be a cheap little kid in that movie. But whatever, this freaking video by How It Should Have Ended was fantastic. If you guys have not subscribed to How It Should Have Ended, you definitely should. They're a good channel. But that's going to be it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you love this. Hopefully you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the content that we upload here on the Juice Reacts channel. Also, if you never come over to hang out on our Twitch streams, definitely come do that. Link is in the description. We will be streaming Friday night, which is tomorrow, if you're watching this, the day I upload it. But that's going to be it, guys. Hope you're having a good time. Things are going good for you. But as always, I'm your host, Juicebox. From ready to wake up in the morning and ask yourself something. But I'm a daily dose of juice. See you guys next time.